औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Section 2. Terms and Definitions. The following definitions are taken from BS 499-1 Welding Terms and Symbols Glossary of Welding, Brazing and Thermal Cutting. Brazing, a process of joining generally applied to metals in which during or after heating molten filler metal is drawn into or retained in the space between closely adjacent surfaces of the parts to be joined by capillary attraction. In general, the melting point of the filler metal is above 450 degrees centigrade but always below the melting point of the parent metal. Braze welding, the joining of metals using a technique similar to fusion welding and a filler metal with a lower melting point than the parent metal, but neither using capillary action as in brazing nor intentionally melting the parent metal. Joint, a connection where the individual components suitably prepared and assembled are joined by welding or brazing. Weld, a union of pieces of metal made by welding. Welding, an operation in which two or more parts are united by means of heat, pressure, or both in such a way that there is continuity in the nature of the metal between these parts. Table 2.1 Joint Types, Sketches and Definitions. Type of joint: butt. Definition: connection between the ends or edges of plates of two parts. Ends or edges of two parts making an angle to one another of 135 to 180 degree inclusive in the region of the joint. Type of joint: T. Connection between the end or edges of one part and the face of the other part. The parts making in an angle to one another of more than 5 up to and including 90 degree in the region of the joint. Corner joint: connection between the ends or edges of two parts making an angle to one another of more than 30 but less than 135 degree in the region of the joint. Edge joint: a connection between the edges of two parts making an angle of one another of 0 to 30 degree inclusive in the region of the joint. Cruciform joint: a connection in which two flat plates or bars two bars are welded to one another flat plate at right angles and on the same axis. Lap joint: connection between two overlapping parts making an angle to one another of 0 to 5 inclusive in the region of the weld or welds. 2.1 Types of weld. 2.1.1 From the configuration point of view as per 2.2. Figure 2.1 butt weld. Figure 2.2 fillet weld. Butt weld in a butt joint. Butt weld in a T-joint. Butt weld in a corner joint. Figure 2.3 Configuration of butt weld. Autogeneous weld, a fusion weld made without filler metal by TIG, plasma, electron beam, laser or oxy-fuel gas welding. Slot weld, a joint between two overlapping components made by depositing a fillet weld round the periphery of a hole in one component so as to join it to the surface of the other component exposed through the hole. Figure 2.4 Slot weld. Plug weld. A weld made by filling a hole in one component of a workpiece with filler metal as to join it to the surface of an overlapping component exposed through the hole. The hole can be circular or oval. Figure 2.5 plug weld. 2.1.2 From the penetration point of view, full penetration weld, a welded joint where the weld metal fully penetrates the joint with complete root fusion. In the US, the preferred term is complete joint penetration weld. Figure 2.6 A full penetration weld. Partial penetration weld. A welded joint without full penetration. In the US, the preferred term is partial joint penetration weld. Figure 2.7 A partial penetration weld. 2.2 Types of joints. See BSN ISO 15607. Homogeneous welded joint in which weld metal and parent metal have no significant differences in mechanical properties or chemical composition. Example: two carbon steel plates welded with a matching carbon steel electrodes. Heterogeneous welded joint in which the weld metal and parent material have significant differences in mechanical properties or a chemical composition. Example: a repair weld of cast iron item performed with a nickel based electrode. Dissimilar or transition welded joint in which the parent material have significant differences in mechanical properties and or chemical composition. Example: a carbon steel lifting lug welded onto a austenitic stainless steel pressure vessel. 2.3 Features of the completed weld. Parent metal to be joined or surfaced by welding, braze welding or brazing. Filler metal added during welding, braze welding, brazing or surfacing. Weld metal, all metal melted during the making of a weld and retained in the weld. Heat affected zone, the part of parent metal metallurgically affected by the heat of welding or thermal cutting but not melted. Fusion line, boundary between the weld metal and the heat affected zone in a fusion weld. Weld zone containing the weld metal and the heat affected zone. Weld face, the surface of a fusion weld exposed on the side from which the weld has been made. Root zone on the side of the first run furthest from the welder. Toe, boundary between the weld face and the parent metal or between runs. This is a very important feature of a weld since toes are points of high stress concentration and often are initiation points for different types of cracks. For example, fatigue and cold cracks. To reduce the stress concentration, toes must blend smoothly into the parent metal surface. Excess weld metal lying outside the plane joining the toes. Other non-standard terms for this feature are reinforcement and overfilling. Figure 2.8 Labeled features of a butt weld. Figure 2.9 Labeled features of a fillet weld. 2.4 Weld preparation, a preparation for making a connection where the individual components suitably prepared and assembled are joined by welding or brazing. The dimensions below can vary depending on WPS. 2.4.1 Features of the weld preparation. Angle of bevel, the angle at which the edge or a component is prepared for making a weld. For an MMA weld on carbon steel plates, the angle is 25 to 30 for a V preparation, 8 to 12 for U preparation, 40 to 50 for a single bevel preparation, 10 to 20 for a J preparation. Include angle, the angle between the planes of the fusion faces of parts to be welded. For a single and double V or U, this angle is twice the bevel angle. In the case of single or double bevel, single or double J bevel, the include angle is equal to the bevel angle. Root face, the portion of a fusion face at the root that is not beveled or grooved. Its value depends on the welding process used. Parent metal to be welded and application. For a full penetration weld on carbon steel plates, it has a value of 1 to 2 mm for the common welding processes. Gap, the minimum distance at any cross section between edges, ends or surfaces to be joined. Its value depends on the welding process used and application. For a full penetration weld on carbon steel plates, it has a value of 1 to 4 mm. Root radius, the radius of the curved portion of the fusion face in a component prepared for a single or double J or U weld. Land, straight portion of a fusion face between the root face and the radius part of J or U preparation can be 0, usually present in weld preparation for MIG welding of aluminum alloys. 2.4.2 Types of preparation. Open scare butt preparation, used for welding thin components from one or both sides if the root gap is 0, that is, if components are in contact. The preparation becomes a closed scare butt preparation, not recommended due to problems caused by lack of penetration. Figure 2.10 Open scare butt preparation. Single V preparation, one of the most common preparation used in welding and can be produced using flame or plasma cutting, cheap and fast. For thicker plates, a double V preparation is preferred since it requires less filler metal to complete the joint, and the residual stresses can be balanced on both sides of the joint, resulting in lower angular distortion. Figure 2.11 Single V preparation. Double V preparation, the depth of preparation can be the same on both sides. Symmetric double V preparation are deeper on one side. Asymmetric double V preparation, usually in this situation the depth of penetration the depth of preparation is distributed as 2/3 of the thickness of the plate on the first side, with the remaining 1/3 on the back side. This asymmetric preparation allows for a balanced welding sequence with root back gouging, giving lower angular distortion, while a single V preparation allows welding from one side. Double V preparation requires access to both sides. The same applies for all double-sided preparations. Figure 2.12 Symmetric double V preparation. Single V preparation. U preparation can be produced only by machining, slow and expensive. However, Tighter tolerances give a better fit up than with V preparations, usually applied to thicker plates compared with single V preparation as it requires less filler metal to complete the joint. Low residual stresses and distortion. Like for V preparations with very thick sections, a double U preparation can be used. Figure 2.13 Single U preparation. Double U preparation. Usually this type of preparation does not require a land except for aluminum alloys. Figure 2.14 W preparation. Single V preparation with back strip. Backing strip allows production of full penetration welds with increased current and hence increased deposition rates or productivity without the danger of burn through. Backing strip can be permanent or temporary. Permanent types are made of the same material as being joined and are tack welded in place. The main problems with this type of weld are poor fatigue resistance and the probability of crevice corrosion between the pin and metal and the backing strip. It is also difficult to examine by NDT due to the built-in crevice at the root of the joint. Temporary types include copper strips, ceramics tiles and fluxes. Figure 2.15 Single V preparation with backing strip. Figure 2.16 Single bevel preparation. Figure 2.17 Double bevel preparation. Figure 2.18 Single J preparation. Figure 2.19 Double J preparation. All these preparations, single, double bevel and J, can be used on T-joints as well. Double preparation are recommended for thick sections. The main advantage of this preparation is that only one component is prepared. Cheap can allow for small misalignments. For further detail regarding weld preparations, please refer to standard BSN ISO 9692. 2.5 Size of butt welds. Axial throat thickness. Design throat thickness. Figure 2.20 Full penetration butt weld. Figure 2.21 Partial penetration butt weld. Actual throat thickness. Design throat thickness. As a general rule, actual throat thickness is equal to design throat thickness plus excess weld metal. Figure 2.22 Full penetration butt weld ground flush. Figure 2.23 Butt weld between two plates of different thickness. Run. Pass. The metal melted or deposited during one pass of an electrode, torch or blowpipe. Layer. A stratum of weld metal consisting of one or more runs. Types of butt weld from accessibility point of view. Single-sided butt weld, double-sided butt weld. Figure 2.26. 2.6 Fillet weld. A fusion weld other than a butt edge or fusion spot weld which is approximately triangular in transverse cross section. 2.6.1 Size of fillet weld. Unlike butt weld, fillet welds can be defined choosing several dimensions: actual throat thickness, design throat thickness, leg length. Actual throat thickness. Perpendicular distance between two planes, each parallel to line joining the outer toes, one being a tangent at the weld face and the other being through the furthermost point of fusion penetration. Design throat thickness. The minimum dimension of throat thickness used for design purposes, also known as effective throat thickness A on drawings. Leg length, distance from the actual or projected intersection of the fusion faces and the toe of the fillet weld, measured across the fusion face, Z on the drawings. Figure 2.28 fillet weld. 2.6.2 Shape of fillet welds. Miter fillet weld, convex fillet weld, concave fillet weld. Miter fillet weld, a flat face fillet weld in which the leg length are equal within the agreed tolerance. The cross section area of this type of weld can be considered to be a right angle isosceles triangle with design throat thickness A and leg length Z. The relationship between design throat thickness and leg length is following: A is equal to 0.707 into Z, or Z is equal to 1.41 into A. Convex fillet weld, a fillet weld in which the weld face is convex. The above relation between leg length and design throat thickness for miter fillet weld is also valid for this type of weld, since there is excess weld metal present. The actual throat thickness is bigger than the design throat thickness. Figure 2.30 Convex fillet weld. Concave fillet weld, a fillet weld in which the weld face is concave. The relationship between leg length and design throat thickness specified for miter fillet weld is not valid for this type of weld. Also, the design throat thickness is equal to the actual throat thickness. Due to smooth blending between the weld face and the surrounding parent material, the stress concentration effect at the toes of the weld is reduced compared with the previous type. This is why this type of weld is highly desired in applications subjected to cyclic loads, where fatigue phenomena might be a major cause of failure. Figure 2.31 Concave fillet weld. A symmetric fillet weld, a fillet weld in which the vertical leg length is not equal to horizontal leg length. The relationship between leg length and design throat thickness is not valid for this type of weld because the cross section is not an isosceles triangle. Figure 2.32 Asymmetric fillet weld. Deep penetration fillet weld, a fillet weld with a deeper than normal penetration. It is produced using high heat input welding processes, submerged arc welding or MAG with spray transfer. This type of weld uses the benefits of greater arc penetration to obtain the required throat thickness while reducing the amount of deposited metal needed, thus leading to a reduction in residual stress level. To produce consistent and constant preparation, the travel speed must be kept constant at a high value. Consequently, this type of weld is usually produced using mechanized or automatic welding processes. Also, the high depth to width ratio increases the probability of solidification centerline cracking. To differentiate this type of weld from previous types, the throat thickness is symbolized as with S instead of A. Figure 2.33 Deep penetration fillet weld. 2.6.3 Compound of butt and fillet welds, a combination of butt and fillet welds used for T-joints with full or partial penetration, or butt joints between two plates with different thickness. Fillet weld added on top of the groove welds improve the blending of the weld face towards the parent metal surface and reduce the stress concentration at the toes of the weld. Figure 2.34 double bevel compound weld. 2.7 welding position, slope and rotation. Welding position, orientation of weld expressed in terms of working position, weld slope and weld rotation. For further details see ISO 6947. Weld slope, angle between root line and the positive x-axis of the horizontal reference plane measured in mathematically positive direction, that is counterclockwise. Weld rotation, angle between the center line of the weld and the positive z-axis or a line parallel to the y-axis measured in the mathematically positive direction, that is counterclockwise. In the plane of transverse cross section of the weld in question. Figure 2.36 weld rotation. Table 2.2 welding position sketches and definitions. Welding position flat. Definition and symbol according to ISO 6947. Welding position in which the welding is horizontal with the center line of the weld vertical. PA. Horizontal vertical. Welding position in which welding is horizontal, applicable in case of fillet weld. PB. Horizontal. Welding position in which welding is horizontal with the center line of weld horizontal. PC. Vertical up. Welding position in which welding is upward. PF. Vertical down. Welding position in which welding is downward. PG. Overhead, a welding position in which welding is horizontal and overhead. Applicable in fillet welds. Horizontal, overhead. Welding position in which welding is horizontal and overhead with the center line of the weld horizontal. PD. Figure 2.37 tolerances for the welding positions. 2.8 weaving. Transverse oscillation of an electrode or blow pipe nozzle during the deposition of the weld metal, generally used in vertical up welds. Stringer bead, a run of weld metal made with little or no weaving motion.